Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. Chilling details this evening of another domestic dispute turned deadly. On Saturday, a 9-year-old boy was reportedly chopped to death during a domestic dispute at his mother's home in Central Village, St. Catherine. His mother and her 2-year-old baby were also seriously injured in the attack, allegedly by a man known to the woman. Community members, including children, are still traumatized by the ghastly attack. A child murdered allegedly by one of the adults who should be protecting him. He is 9-year-old Steve Johnson of Windsor Heights in Central Village, St. Catherine. His gruesome killing, the result of an argument between his mother and a man who residents described as her friend. We were told that Steve lived at this house with relatives. The police confirmed, however, that he was killed at his mother's house on Collins Crescent, some distance away.
Relatives went to the address and discovered the deceased, 9-year-old Johnson, and their other relatives suffering from multiple chop wounds. They were assisted to the Spanish Town Hospital, where Steve Johnson, the 9-year-old, was pronounced dead. The other 2 victims were admitted in serious condition.
Head of the St. Catherine North Police Division, Senior Superintendent Clive Blair, said a motive still has not been established. It has been a traumatic experience for community members, including one of Steve's cousins, who was among the first on the scene.
My sister panigum, and the baby and Stevie on the bed. She did cover him head. So I'm put it there right beside the bed foot. And I dry him out.
He is just one of several children traumatized by the incident. Neighbors say they have had to take steps to help their children cope.
So my grandson get traumatized with my little granddaughter. So I have to send him down to their mother. Last night, one night, them don't sleep and the little boy body had nerve tremble. For to not understand these things, him just get traumatized and him not eating or nothing.
Steve's death is just the latest in several child murders this year. Last week, Junior Youth Minister Floyd Green announced that a national plan of action is to be launched soon to conduct more investigations when children are murdered.